my goodness, John. Did you see it? Did you see the robot car? It looks like something from a space movie.
Slow down, Grace. Take a deep breath. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Yes, I saw it. It is January 7th, 2026, and the city of Las Vegas is currently full of robots.
It really is. Welcome to our show, everyone. Today, we are talking about CES 2026. John, for our friends at home who are just learning English, what exactly is CES? Is it a big party for scientists?
Well, in a way, it is a party for technology. CES stands for the Consumer Electronics Show. It is the biggest event in the world where companies show us what the future will look like. And this year, the big news is that the future has a body.
A body? That sounds like a ghost story, John. Do you mean like a human body with skin and hair?
Not quite. We call it physical AI. Think about it like this. For the last few years, AI lived only inside your phone or computer. It could write for you, but it couldn't move your coffee cup. But in 2026, AI is moving into robots that can help you at home and cars that drive themselves.
Like a brain finally getting hands and feet.
Exactly. A company called NVIDIA just showed a new super brain called Vera Rubin. It is named after a famous woman astronomer. This super brain helps robots understand gravity and how to move things without breaking them. It's the most powerful system ever made for robots.
That is so cool. I want a robot to help me clean my kitchen. But John, let's talk about the car I saw. The Uber Robotaxi. I saw a video of it at the show. There is no steering wheel and no driver's seat. How does it know where to go? What if a cat runs in front of it?
That is a great question. The Robotaxi has something called 360-degree perception. This is a fancy way of saying it has eyes everywhere. It uses high-tech cameras and lasers to see everything around the car at the same time. It can see the road, the people, and even small animals better than any human driver can.
And the inside looks like a luxury living room. It has seats for 6 people and big screens to watch movies while you travel. I want to ask our listeners a question. If you saw this car on your street, would you get inside? Tell us in the comments.
It might take some time for people to feel comfortable, but the technology is ready. While the cars are driving outside, inside the show, everyone is talking about Qira.
Qira. I love that name. It sounds like a character from a book. Is she an app I can download?
Actually, she is better than an app. Qira is a new AI super agent from Lenovo and Motorola. She just won the Best of CES award. We are now entering what experts call the post-app era.
The post-app era? Does that mean I should delete all my apps?
No, not yet. But usually, you have to open one app for your calendar and another for your email. Qira is different. She lives inside all your devices. If you are writing a story on your phone while on the bus, Qira has it ready on your laptop when you get home. She knows your schedule and helps you without you having to ask.
It's like having a digital best friend who is always one step ahead. She knows I need my flight ticket before I even open my bag at the airport.
Precisely. It makes technology feel more natural, like a conversation. Now, before we finish today, let's look at our simple English word bank. Today we learned physical AI, which means AI with a body. We learned perception, which means how the car sees the world. And we learned agent, which is a helper like Qira.
Those are great words. 2026 is moving so fast, but I am glad we are learning together. What is your AI tip of the day, John?
My tip is, stay curious. You don't need to be an expert. Just try a new tool like an AI browser. It makes searching the internet feel like talking to a friend.
Great advice. Thank you for being our teacher today, John. And thank you to everyone watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay curious.
Bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.